everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got another FabFitFun mystery bag for us today. And I actually have a few piled up because for a while they were having a sale like every weekend just about. And I'd always say, oh, okay, I'll grab a bag. And I've been super busy with like just so much stuff lately. I feel like life is going so fast these days that I haven't had time to sit down and do them, but I'm going to go ahead and do it now. The first two I'm going to do, they'll be in separate videos just so I can keep them separate. But two of the ones I got from like two different sales have the same number on them, and they have some like items and some different. So those will probably be the first two I post to the channel, and I'll start out with this one right now. And the number is 2102 MYS037. I'm going to go ahead and get into the bag, and from experience I know I'm not going to be able to get the knots out, so I'm just going to rip right into the side. And our first item out is this right here, and it is a Wish mud mask. There we go. And it says it renews, purifies, smooths, and softens. Well, that sounds like a good deal to me. And we have another skincare item, and this is Secret Care Balm. Is that how you say it? Derma Solution for Life. Hypoallergenic, no paraben, no fragrance, no colorant, and no mineral oil. I think I know the perfect person for this. My aunt is really allergic to fragrances, so I think I will tuck this in with her gifts because I really like fragrance items, so this is not something that I would probably enjoy. For me, I'm like the more fragrance the better, so no fragrance is no bueno for me, but I do know someone who will really enjoy it. Now this right here is up my alley. We have Julep Love Your Bare Face Hydrating Bamboo Water Cleansing Cloths. And I am like queen of the face wipes. I have them in my desk at work, in my purse. I've always got one of these for on the go because especially if I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, like if I'm going to physical therapy or the gym or whatever, I like it just to like wipe my face off and freshen up and just have that nice fresh skin feeling. So these will definitely go to good use, because I have like maybe 4 left in my package in my desk right now. And this is the item I was super curious about when I saw it through the bag when I was unpacking. And this is Bloomingville, and it's round jute baskets with loop green stripes. And it's a set. So let's take that out and take a look. I think it might just be one piece. It says set, but I'm pretty sure it just looks like one. Oh no, it is 2. Awesome. Alright, let me pry these apart. So little round pop-open baskets. And you can use them for organization or whatever. They're really cute. I don't know whether I will use them for organization or if I'll give them for a gift. But I do love little things like these where you can just pop them open and just keep your stuff inside. I'm a big container girl. I've got like these little chests from the Hobby Lobby all over my office and all over my house. Just like those little treasure chest looking boxes. I just love boxes to put stuff in. Don't ask me why. Yeah, these are kind of cute. And I like the little leather accents too. And I love that color of green. I'll have to think about this one. I don't really know a space for them, but I might just have to make a space. Okay, so I'll just put everything back out real quick so we can take a look. Got the basket set, the face wipes, the ball, and then I have the mud mask. And who doesn't love a good mud mask? Perfect slumber party style. Okay, Well, that's what I have in my first mystery bag with that lot number. In the next video, I will bring out the next mystery bag with the same lot number, and we can compare the items. I think most of them are pretty similar, but there is at least one big difference. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time. And remember that FabFitFun customization is just around the corner, so don't forget to check out the site. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time.